Welcome to your tips for inverts and spins with heels. So if you guys have been using my invert tutorials or the invert program, you'll already know most of this information. But let's review. The first thing you should work on before wearing heels is foot, ankle, and calf strength. Of course, you can find tutorials for all of that here on the website and in this program. The second thing to work on is to learn to do all tricks from the ball of your foot instead of flat-footed. Inverts using controlled momentum should really focus on this aspect. But the same goes for deadlifting into your chopper. If you tend to jump or hop into your tricks and poses, chances are you're not entering from the ball of your foot, but rather flat-footing the push-off and using forced momentum instead of skill and muscle. Here are a few more important tips. When up on the pole, whether you're inverted or upright, keep the feet pointed for a nice line. Even with heels, judges and those with keen eyes can see when your feet are flexed instead of pointed. To exit tricks, use the toe box, either the side or the bottom. Never land on your heel unless you're very skilled with your exit and you're planning on moving right into edge work. Last, let's talk about spins. The same ideas apply here. You want to learn to push through the ball of the foot and point through the foot of the swinging leg. Land on the toe box, not your heel. Landing flat-footed will not look as smooth as landing on your toe box. Let me know if you have any questions.